Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use the Target Circle offers. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Target application. Once you've done that, I'm assuming you've already logged in or signed up for your account. And now all you need to do is simply go ahead and tap on My Target on the bottom right. And you're going to be taken to this page where all you need to do is just scroll a little bit. And as you can see, it says Circle Member, see your deals, tap on that. And once you do that, as you can see, all the deals that are available with the Circle membership is going to be shown right over here, up to 60%, 40%, 50% off on so many items that you can go ahead and purchase. There are also coupons that you can use to get, as you can see, $2 off, $1 off, $2 off, $3 off, $5 off, and many, many more. So you could also get a same-day delivery and more with Circle 360. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and